Let's go! We're shut down from New York City! Let's fucking go! Make some fucking noise! Hands in the air for rabies! Hands in the air for Todd Youth! Hands in the air for Mickey Fitz! And hands in the air for fucking Arnold Kromag! This is We Won't Forget! Holy shit, you guys are awesome. You can turn me down in the monitors, please. Good to be here. "18 years since we've been here. Who saw us before?" For all the new younger kids that never saw us, we're shut down from Brooklyn, New York. We had some great times in Europe with Agnostic Front, The Forgotten, Ignite and Discipline, Shelter and Next Step Up as well. Give it up for all the bands tonight. We don't care if you're straight edge or not. This scene is about acceptance, and this song is called Decide. Trying to think of us go through. You guys to help me with this one. Don't look back! Rock dreaming on you! They won't find us on you! Never turn around! Drop the brightness on you! Attention! Which one's out the present? Focus! Grab over the wrong direction! You'll see what you became! That's the man! Right in unison! We do! And you can... You can't count on us! Still drum and searching, your mind is turning, searching for answers, answers. But they're right where you can, searching for answers. But they're Thanks. I can't tell you guys how good it is to be here, man. Give it up for Martine for putting this fucking party on. It's one of the coolest things about this music we love. The way we all come together around the world and celebrate it like a family and like a community. That's why we got into this. That's what keeps this music going. So this goes out to all the scenes that are out there. The Belgian scene, the Dutch scene, the German scene. Everybody, European, worldwide, hardcore. It's a shame to say. We're not the giant. We won't be giant. Let's get a nice big old circle pit. Nice big circle pit. Let's go. You should look inside yourself before you want to put the blame away. United we stand. I said united we stand. United we stand, and united we fall. Rise up. Let's come together, and that's what we're all this. Come on, Eindhoven. You know the message, sing it with me. United we stand. We're all stuck in this fucking woods. Let's come together. We're all this. Stand united. Like an IMD, with not reality. Must stand away. What world's around me? I'm trying to leave myself from my humanity. You keep my Thank you so fucking much. How's everybody feeling? Don't mind me. I'm just having a great fucking time. Stage diving, singing along. This goes out to a lot of my favorite bands that are playing today. Give it up for Youth of Today. Man, I guess you guys didn't hear me. Give it up for fucking Youth of Today. I'm pretty sure everyone in this room, they've had an influence on, including this band. So this goes out to Ray, Porcel, Walter, and Sammy. 4 fucking dynamites in our hardcore scene. I'm so fucking blessed to have them in it. Hardcore is about acceptance and not giving a fuck what anybody thinks outside these doors. This is called No Compromise. When you really give it up. moving. Just like we never stopped playing here, huh? Yo, I want to send a big shout out to the younger bands playing that I never got to see till today. I want to send a big shout out to Jesus Peace, Iceberg, Lion's Law, Main Strike for sure, and all the other bands that came out today. That's pretty cool, man. 41 countries, that's fucking awesome. One really cool fucking festival. I hope we get out here every year. If Martin has anything to do about it, I'm gonna bug him every fucking year. We put out a record called Against All Odds. Anyone have it? This is a song off that record. It's called Inside Out. Although you never show it, I've been seeing your word inside, and the problem don't ignore it. For only so long you cannot. You won't pretend me. Be there right when you want me. Is it all inside of you? Where will you go? What? You gotta die! Think the best of me! Think the right approach! So you will love! Never will more good! Although you never show it, I've been seeing your word inside. From the don't ignore it. From only so long you cannot. You won't break like me. Be there for me. Is it all inside of you? Hey, hey, hey! Take your time and you will find what's right for you. Don't let life pass you by. Stand round to follow through. Life's too short to not think twice. Listen up. We'll be there, we're on your side. Down on us you get. Wherever your side. You can get mine. Where will you go? What will you be? You'll never know what you can achieve. You gotta try. Think the best of it. Take the right approach. Song's called Home. Come on, I wanna hear this whole fucking club say it! Lost all time! Reflection in the mind! Spin you out there for your grind! Remountain another mind! All the mirror of your love! All the eternal one and no! Open sky! Lost all time! Open sky! Reflection in the mind! All right. Thank you for making this such a fucking special show for us, guys. I really appreciate it. We got a lot of kids back home, 12 between the four of us. And next time we come here, or maybe someday we could bring them here and teach them what it's like to be a part of this. Because it really is something special that I think we all feel in our hearts. We got help from this song. How many people like a band called Madball? One of the best things about New York hardcore is the way the older bands pick up the younger bands. And when we were kids, just teenagers, Freddie and Roger took us under their wing, and Freddie helped us sing on this song. It's the title track of our album. If you know it, please help me sing it. So many glad that this somewhere we're gonna try. Love to love, love certain way. Love the God. They're all wrong back in the day, but now we've shown where. Guys, I don't give a fuck. You kicked me in the face. I know it was an accident. Look out for each other. This is the last song. Thank you, guys. This is probably the most special song we play. We play it all over the world, everywhere we go, and there's a reason for it. I want to get plenty of room so you guys can sing it. Can you guys help me in the back? I'm going to start this song, and you guys can help me. It's a very important song by a very important band. This stage was named after them. They're called Warzone. We play it on our last album because of the fucking message. Help me out, guys. In our minds and in our hearts. And a big business and stay in the streets. All you kids out there, all wet. Are you ready? I know that! To you, you think you're a rock star, trapped on kick. You was on your bed, now your future won't last.
We're shut down from Brooklyn, New York!
Thank you, good night.